All right, now that we have learned how to set up our data and create visualizations, let's also now learn how to set up our visualization to show the required data only. Let me show what do I mean. Let's say I have these two cross tables, one for orders, both for orders, one by order ID and one by ship city. Now in the ship city, you see London has got 118 dollars of free, right? So I just want to show this table, which only shows the data for London, right? I can do it in two ways. So one, I will go to properties and I will go to data. I will go to edit and let me write an expression like ship city is equal to London. Simple as that. When I click OK, I see that London has 2118.67. Yes, so the grand total is 2118.67. That means all these order IDs are only for London, right? So this is one way. What could be the other way? So I will just remove the expression of data limit from here and I will go to access and I will go to cell values and I will right click and do custom expression. So what I will write over here is a case when ship city is equal to London, then do the sum of freed, else do nothing, and okay. So else is not compulsory over here, but understand this case statement is pretty simple. When ship city is London, then do this, else do that, end, right? So you can write a custom expression in this fashion. And let's give this column a display name, which is sum of freed. Okay. All right. So now if you have a look, there are a lot of empty, I agree, but overall the sum would be 2118.67, which is the same as this. So what's happening in this scenario is it is displaying all order IDs, right? It is not limiting the data, it is displaying all the data, but the matrix is getting limited by the expression that we have just put. So that's another way to achieve this one thing. So these are the two ways where you limit the data that you want to show in any visualization. So let's say if you want to switch this visualization to bar chart, probably it would, show in the same fashion. Just remove this and probably if I show you that the label is all, it is 2118.67. So this was the two concept that you must learn how to use very very properly. One is the data limit using expressions, and secondly how to have the custom expression written. It's very important. We'll talk more about the custom expression as we progress in this course, but this is something that you must have a mastery upon.